Hello everyone, welcome to CNY Weathertainment, where we meet all your weather needs, including local radar, current conditions throughout the Mohawk Valley, astronomy information, weather inspiration, weather history of the day, everything you want to know about the weather, and so much more for free. 7-day temp trend. 81 is the average high. It doesn't get much warmer now than that average, in terms of the average going up before it begins to go down. 77 for today, that's not tough to take. 75 for tomorrow, 81 for Friday, as it begins to warm back up again, ramp up into the upcoming weekend, and then holds close to average, it looks like, for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. Weather headlines, much less humid today. Oh yeah, definitely a noticeable improvement in the air mass. Thursday, we're on the razor's edge still. Very close call here. I think it'll cloud up for most or all of central New York, even up to the Adirondacks. The rain, though, I think will only creep northwards up to about Route 20. So Otsego County, there's rain in your forecast, maybe southern Oneida and southernmost Herkimer counties. And we're only 4. Count them. Cuatro. It's the same in Spanish as it is in English. It's still just 4 days away. Have a look at the radar. You can see yesterday afternoon and evening, this was the rain line and thunder line that was coming in and brought the torrential downpours yesterday evening. You see this little blob right here? That came in, that developed over southernmost New York State at about 2 o'clock, moved in between 3 and 5 o'clock for central New York. A little renegade shower, thunder shower. So that was not in the forecast. I probably, in retrospect, should have put it in for safekeeping because the air mass was so warm and humid, and the sun did break out for a few hours in the afternoon like I expected, so that was enough to get this little Lone Ranger thunder shower to form and move on through. But that was the real deal that came in right on schedule, and you can see it's part of a bigger system. This is a cold front that's bringing in the drier, less humid, cooler air mass for today. But you can already see across the panhandle of Texas and Oklahoma, it's doing it again. The tail end of the front is slowing down because the better push is with the northern half, with the Canadian air moving across. That jet stream is stronger up there than it is across the south. And so since it lingers across the south, it allows these circulations to form on the tail end of these fronts. And in this case, another low pressure center is forming. And once that passes on through Thursday and Thursday night, and it's a close call, then I'm watching this come together and move in for Sunday and Monday. Water vapor imagery. I love this because it really spells everything out in black and white. The black, dry, relatively speaking. You can see those lone wolf showers were very small as compared to the bigger system, which is what I was staring at for moving through last night into this morning. And you can already see how it's forming that curlicue in here. It's slowing way down, and that's a storm that's forming along the southern boundary of the front, and that's going to come very close to central New York Thursday afternoon, Thursday night. And I think the cutoff for rain is right about Route 20, so maybe 20 miles or 30 miles south of the thruway for the rest of southern New York, rain in the forecast. And then this area is going to come together and probably approach, unfortunately, in time for the Boilermaker Sunday, late morning and afternoon. So we're putting the rain back in the Sunday, late morning and afternoon portion of the forecast. Meanwhile, pretty close on the high and low. 83 versus 85, 65 versus 68. 2300s in the rain bucket. We lose 1 more minute of daylight. We're at 15 hours and 13 minutes, but a bright day for today. Full sun, just a few fair weather clouds and some contrails from airplanes going by. Northwest wind this morning, north this afternoon, a high of 77. And then tonight, mostly clear and cooler, low around 53, increasing clouds for Thursday, and in fact, fair chance for rain south of Route 20 in the afternoon and evening hours, just cloudy for the rest of us. So there's a cloudy icon with some shafts of sun trying to break through. Sunny on Friday, hazy sun on Saturday. It clouds up Sunday morning early on, so if there's any hazy sun, it's got to be at 6, 7 a.m., right around the time that the Boilermaker gets underway. And then rain and thunder late morning and afternoon, on and off into Monday as well, with Tuesday being a day of clearing. That is your 7-day forecast. Thanks again for checking in. Make it a great day.
Welcome to Intermission. Intermission.